What's up guys, it's Caleb from Element Case, and today we're looking at a new case from our Spectre line, the Enigma. The Enigma features a precision CNC machined aluminum front bezel. The back plate is genuine leather, and it provides sleek, modern styling with a touch of refinement and elegance. The Enigma features Element Case's SLS screw lock system. Screws connect the front and back bezel to secure the phone in between. Anchoring into the aluminum increases retention and strength of the hold. The Enigma features internal drop shock corners, the suspension and cushioning of which produce a perfect fit and provide shock absorption for superior drop protection. Fast tap buttons allow the phone controls to work as seamlessly as they would without a case. The top, bottom, and sides of the case feature ergonomic sure grip design for a more comfortable and secure grasp. Tabletop protection front bezel design of the Enigma keeps the phone screen from coming in direct contact with flat surfaces on drops. That's it for the Enigma. Thanks for watching. For more information, go to elementcase.com.